Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can integrate Woocommerce with Squarespace, so let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard where your Woocommerce store is installed. Make sure your products and payment methods are set up correctly inside Woocommerce. Now open your Squarespace dashboard. From the left menu, click on Pages, and then select the page where you want to display your Woocommerce store or products. A new page will appear. From here, click on the plus button to add a new block. In the block search bar, type code and select the code block. Go back to your WordPress WooCommerce store and copy the embed code or direct product link. If you don't see an embed option, you can install a plugin called WooCommerce Store API or Shopify Buy Button Alternative, which generates embed codes for WooCommerce products. Paste this embed code inside the Squarespace code block and click Apply. Now your WooCommerce product or store section will appear inside your Squarespace page. For smoother integration, you can also use third-party tools like Zapier or API-based connectors. These connect WooCommerce orders and customers directly with your Squarespace site so data stays synced. Finally, save the page and open it in a new tab. You'll now see your WooCommerce products working inside Squarespace with checkout redirecting to your WordPress store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.